Hello everyone. Our team introduced about Japanese vending machines. They are very convenient and makes people relaxing. The number of them in Japan is more than in any other countries. Moreover, there are many kinds of them. We are now going to start to make a presentation of vending machines. Please enjoy our presentation.
Vending machines is very convenient. There are many vending machines in Japan, so you can buy something cool and hot to drink at any time. And you can play a slot game sometimes when you bought something to drink. If you want slot game, you can get one more drink. Vending machines sell not only something to drink. They sell corn soup, sweet red corn soup, oden, beers, tobacco, and more. Vending machines sell something not only to drink but also interesting.
There is an automatic vending machine for muffin, donuts, snack, and so on. You can buy many delicious food with a vending machine. The price of every good is about $1. This is an automatic vending machine for ice cream. You can buy cold ice cream and sherbet. It is very sweet and delicious and very useful in summer. Thank you for listening.
Next, I will introduce for 100 yen vending machine. It is named Treasure Box of King. Food and drinks such as in vending machines usually is not included, but instead luxury goods, consumer electronics, and brands, such as game console is on. However, sundry goods are contained roughly. The probability of luxury products such as game consoles hit has become low. But if you want to grasp the dream, you can only do. You don't have to hit you gonna do. It is not seen in other countries. It is recommended that you try going around once. Finally, I will introduce a vending machine there is no chance to see among the vending machine you've covered so far. It's a vending machine of banana. You can buy bananas in either bunch and one there. It is a bit expensive, but that there is a worth bought once. When you come to Tokyo, please look by all means.
Did you enjoy our presentation? There are such unique vending machines in Japan. Please try to see and use vending machines if you visit Japan. We are sure that you are surprised and they make you happy. Thank you for listening and watching.